Welcome to the Reporting Engine product tour video. Before we begin, let's take a minute to highlight two design concepts unique to our software: profiles and perspectives. The Reporting Engine's database structure provides the distinct ability to create profiles. Profiles enable a more thorough level of analysis and offers views and reports that would otherwise be unavailable. For example, popular agent profile descriptions could include agent site name, department name, skill set, manager name, team leader name, date of hire, experience level, education level, employment status, language, and so on. These profiles will allow you to answer questions such as: which training program is most effective? When are agents most productive and performing at their best? What experience level offers the best performance? The possibilities and combinations are limitless. The basic elements and their position within the report enable vastly different perspectives. Elements such as the subject, the time period, and the indicators are customizable to your requirements. Notice how the subject has been repositioned? Each of these perspectives reveal valuable insights regarding your business. The Reporting Engine was designed to consider the unique reporting needs of all types of users. Let's say, for example, you're a team leader and you need to prepare a coaching session. Select a perspective. Select a subject to focus on. Select your name from the list of team leaders supported by custom profiles in order to narrow down the list of agents. You may select as many indicators as you wish from the list of customizable field names. You meant to select true calls per hour rather than true quotes per hour. Following this, you realize that you want to add average talk time. You analyze the year-to-date results. Now, you can see which agent has the lowest or highest performance for the current year-to-date. Let's say revenue from sales is a priority for your company. You see that Kenneth has one of the lowest closing ratios, but Nikki is lower still. You want to examine Nikki's results a bit closer to see if there were particular months that may have caused this decrease. You observe that Nikki had low results in October, as well as in March. You decide to take a closer look at Nikki's daily results in March. After listening to some of her sales calls, you substantiate your observations for Nikki's upcoming coaching session. You choose to save the weekly view as a favorite because you want to follow up with Nikki on a weekly basis. The following week, you retrieve the report from your list of favorites in order to assess Nikki's progress. You can now drill down or drill up to get a more complete assessment before your next coaching session. Let's say you're a business analyst who would like to assess the factors behind your call center's successes and failures. Leveraging the custom profiles created for your agents and queues, you select a view based on, let's say, your products. You chose the indicator perspective to display a different report layout. You want to compare each product's performance as it relates to the average speed of answer. Next, you switch your view to the average time to abandonment. You now realize that it's unnecessary to view the results for the TV product. After observing the results of several years, you drill down to the monthly results. You choose to temporarily hide the quarterly summaries and export it to Excel. Next, you would like to view the results for the calendar year as opposed to the fiscal year. You toggle back to view the results for the fiscal year. Now, you want to unhide the quarterly summaries. Your analysis prompts you to drill down another level to look at daily trends, specifically between September 12th and September 26th. You drill down further still to view the hourly results for Monday, September 19th, particularly between the hours of 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. You would like to look at the same intervals for the following Monday. You navigate through several indicators to acquire more findings. Using custom profiles, you can create different analyses. For instance, you choose to assess your new hire training programs for your call center in San Jose. You would like to view this in a chart format. You design a chart using a vast array of chart types like columns, bars, lines, and different axes to visualize the relationship between calls, sales, and schedule conformance of the different training groups. Through the monthly view, you explore a results summary for the agents who have received the 2-week training program. From here, you have several drill-down options. You start with the weekly view. Then you select a given week. This shows you the agents from this training group who worked that specific week. You would like to see details for the agent Thomas, so you view his results for the entire year. From here, you can drill down to specific days. You return to the group summary for the 2-week training group and drill down to the group's results by day. You want to view the results for the agents from this training group who worked that specific day. You want to see the overview for a specific agent. You dig deeper to view his daily results. Returning to the group summary, you decide to view the details for January. This time, you want to see the agents from this training group who worked in January. You single out an agent's overall results. You return to the summary. Finally, you email this report along with the findings from your analysis. Let's say you're an executive and you need to know which location requires your attention and why. You chose the time perspective for a different report layout. You decide to compare locations for yesterday's results. Now, you would like to compare each location's results for the entire week. Next, you compare the results for the entire month. And finally, you see how each location is performing for a given year. From here, you decide to compare the departments from your New York location. Now, you would like to assess the manager's performances in the customer service department. Following this, you want to look specifically at the performance of the agents who work for your manager, Fabio, as it relates to their tenure. Again, benefiting from the custom profiles. Perhaps you prefer viewing this in a chart format. There are many chart types to choose from. For this report, you choose the pie chart. Proceeding with your analysis, you drill down further to get to know your junior agents. This in-depth analysis was completed in less than 90 seconds. Let's say you're an agent and you would like to find out how you could improve your performance or what your standings are for winning the upcoming sales contest. You may view only your own results, unless your company allows agents to access each other's results, in which case you could generate your own custom searches. When you log in, the default indicators, defined by your manager, will display automatically. Your starting point focuses on the results you have recorded so far for the current year. Results for previous years are accessible from here. Next, you want to drill down to the monthly view. You choose to add the total quotes indicator to your report. You also want to change the AHT indicator to the average talk time indicator. You would like to view your weekly performance results. And finally, you want to view the results for certain days. To get a different outlook of your trends, you choose to run a chart. You decide to analyze your sales performance as it relates to your non-ACD busy time. You send an email to your team leader with your thoughts about your performance. This concludes our product tour video. To schedule a live demonstration and explore all the exciting benefits and features that the reporting engine has to offer your business, click on Request Demo.